myself Dr. Gaddam Naresh Reddy, Assistant Professor of Commerce, working in the Department of Commerce, University College of Commerce and Business Management. So, from the last 13 years I am working with the department. Now, I aim to develop the MOOCs module related to undergraduation course which comes under Commerce, BCom Honors, 6th semester, BCH DSC discipline specific elective, Group B under EA. So, fundamentals of investment. This is the full credit course, consists of 6 credits, 100 marks paper. Course description related to the fundamentals of investment is a subject of growing importance and interest. Investment is the sacrifice for the future reward. Investment decision is a trade off between risk and return. The entire globe is based on risk and return. Investing is an activity that is of interest to many individuals regardless of occupation or income levels. This course gives the students a comprehensive coverage of the fundamentals of investment, such as investment environment, valuation of fixed income securities, approaches to equity analysis, portfolio analysis, and financial derivatives and investors protection in the Indian capital market. So, the learning objectives of the course are explains the meaning and appreciate the relevance of investment. Second one is familiarize with the regard to the concept of investment environment, analyze valuation of fixed income securities and its associated risk, and fourth one is develops an insight into equity valuation and its relevance, examines the importance of portfolio analysis and financial derivatives, and explains the ways and means of investor protection in the Indian capital market. The rationale for the development of this particular course, fundamentals of investment and investment environment are becoming more and more complex over the long period of time. Types of instruments, types and number of financial intermediaries and the overall investment process all have seen a revolution. Financial innovations, investors protection and transparency have been the buzzwords in the present business environment. Online trading systems in the capital markets, holding and transfer of financial products in the electronic mode, significant presence of mutual funds, more active role assumed by the regulatory authorities are some of the features of current investment environment. And so, this is the high time to learn the fundamentals of investment course by the undergraduate students. This course will help the students to learn about principles of investment, gain an appreciation for the sound investment decisions, learn about the methods of valuation of bonds and equity instruments, improve the students' prospects for employment or career advancement in investments, professional development for anyone working in the financial services sector, teachers, writers or anyone else who communicates information about sound investments. It can provide a real foundation, greatly extending students' understanding of risk and return involved in the investment decision. Objectives of the course. The structure of the course allows students to independently research topics guided by module notes and assignment questions, develops an understanding of investments and new developments in the subject, provides conceptual clarity on the subject. Now, this course enables students a thorough understanding of risk return trade off, bonds valuation, equity valuation, financial derivatives market in India, and investors protection in the Indian capital market. This course is also very much useful to the students who are interested to mold their career option as investment advisor. Now, this course is planned weekly course plan is like this 10 weeks is used for this particular development of the modules, and 5 days per week 50 modules are planned and 10 modules from each unit. Now, we have 5 units. Unit 1 talks about investment environment, second unit concentrates on fixed income securities, third unit related to approaches to equity analysis, and fourth unit concentrates on the portfolio analysis and financial derivatives, and the last unit consists of investors protection. Thank you.